Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT on iPhone. And because I do not have an iPhone, I'm going to show you as easy as possible. So please get your iPhone and follow with me. On your iPhone, you're going to find a browser. Now, iOS devices do not have Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox indented into, but they do have something called Safari. If you're not 100% sure what Safari looks like, this is, if I can spell it properly, this is what Safari looks like. You're going to open the browser and you're going to type ChatGPT. This is a screen that you get in all of the devices: PC, Windows, Linux, iOS, Android. Log in, continue with your account, and here you are. You're using ChatGPT on your iPhone. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.